everyone is connected to music. And so it is really a unifying factor, probably more than anything. And you don't need words to feel certain emotions and to feel a lot better once you hear beautiful music or inspiring music, energetic music, solemn music. Any kind can really bring peace to yourself, and then that branches out to your community and elsewhere. I think it's a great opportunity for our students to reach out to the community and to the space that they're in beyond the university, and to share their compositions and their inspirations, especially for the theme of peace. Is what we need more than anything. And so for them to be a part of that in a significant way and have it broadcast to so many people around the world, we hope this will just be a beautiful opportunity for them to lift their voices and be heard and spread an important message of unity.